In this video, I'm going to tell you what online form you should be using on a WordPress site, why you should be using that form, and how to use it. Any website needs online form, at least simple contact form. When it comes to WordPress sites, there are hundreds of options, but in reality there are only two: Contact Form 7 or WPForms. I've made many WordPress sites and all of them use one of these two forms. Contact Form 7 has been around since beginning of time, so I used it more in the past. But for the past few years I've been using WPForms much more, and it's much better. Just take a look at these ratings. Sheer number of them, they update very regularly, and number of options you have and what can you do with WPForm is unbelievable. Besides that, it's easy to use. As far as I know, Contact Form 7 has only free version, while WPForms have free and 4 paid options. Free version of WPForm is much better than Contact Form 7, and most of my WPForms are free versions. If you need something more advanced, like credit card payment, user registration, mailing list integration, go with one of the paid options. In this video, I will show you free and pro version of WPForms. A little pro tip here, probably the most important thing I will tell you in this video. When in doubt what plugin or software to use, regardless what it is, all free or the one who has free and paid versions, always, and I mean always, go with the second option. You need a software that is regularly taken care of, and since they make their money from paid versions, they will make sure free version works flawlessly. After all, most of us start with the free option and then we upgrade if needed. Remember that. Let's install WPForm. Now when it's installed, I will activate it. Let's create our first form. You can also close this and you will find WPForms at the left side menu. Up here I will name my form. I can choose from 4 of these options. Paid versions have much more templates. Let's start with a simple contact form. This is what my form looks like so far. These standard fields come with the free version. To edit the form, just drag and drop. Let's say I want these checkboxes here. Just drag and drop. To edit that field, or any other for that matter, just click on it and make any changes you need. It's in real time. You can move the field wherever you want, and if you don't like it, just click this trash can. Let me tell you about Google reCAPTCHA. It's very important and you should use it. Just type Google reCAPTCHA into Google and first result will take you to reCAPTCHA admin console. There you will add your site and get secret keys. I use reCAPTCHA version 3. To use that keys, you need to go back to WPForm settings and then reCAPTCHA tab. Here I will choose version 3 and paste site key and secret key. Then save settings. Now we can return to our form. Click Google reCAPTCHA and our form is spam protected. Now let's go to settings and notifications. By default, submitted forms come to admin email address. To add more addresses, just type comma and enter another email address. All these things you can change how you want them to look, but our form is functional, it should be working, and before I upgrade to a pro version and show it to you, let's install this free one and see it on a page. In general, I use Elementor page builder to make websites, but you can use any page builder or none at all. You can use what WordPress gives you. In Elementor, up here, just type WP in a search box and drag WPForms field into page. Choose the contact form and you are done. Without page builder, using just WordPress, click this plus sign. Then widgets. Now click WPForms and select the form. It's done. Let's see it live. Here it is. This page doesn't look very good because generally I use Elementor with headers and footers, but down here you see our form is protected by Google. Let's test it. And the form is submitted. The emails have arrived. Now, let's upgrade our free form to Pro version. If you decide that you need any paid version, there is an affiliate link in the description that will get you a great deal and give me a little kickback. When you click that link in the description, that will bring you to WPForm's website, where you can choose from 4 of these options. When you make your selection and purchase the form, you will be brought to your admin area, where you need to copy the license key. When you have copied the key, go to WordPress and under WPForms menu, choose Settings. Here, paste the license key and click Connect. Now, connect and install WPForms. Wait a little, and that is it. Now I have paid version, in my case Pro. When I go back to my form, which was free version, now I see all these fields available. You must have noticed by now that I skipped a lot of options even in free version. Pro version is extremely powerful tool and it will take me an hour more to go through all these options. In this video I will not go into it. If you guys think I did a good job with this tutorial and you would like to see more of the WPForms capabilities, please let me know below and I can make more videos about it. In any case, let me know what you think, like, share this video if you think it's good, maybe even subscribe to my small channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!